friends, my name is Amy Rebecca. Welcome back to my channel on a Wednesday. Yeah, usually I don't upload on a Wednesday, but since I was traveling quite a lot last month and it threw my whole upload schedule just completely out the window, I'm trying to make up for some lost time. So here we are. Happy Wednesday. Today I have another Project Pan update to share with you guys, and if you're a Project Pan fan and you enjoy my Project Pan updates, I think you're really gonna like this one. So buckle up, it's about to get exciting. I mean, not that exciting because it is just like literally trash, but you know what I mean. For those of you who are new, welcome. I hope you decide to stick around. If you enjoy positive vibes and want to be part of a group of people who are just trying to figure out how to live their best lives, then this is the place for you. So why not go ahead and subscribe? Okay, let's just throw ourselves straight into it. I have panned 3 products this month. I finally used up the Garnier Body Summer Body Moisturizing Lotion Sun-Kissed Look. It's that tanning lotion. So long, farewell, I'll be the same. Goodbye. I finished up the OGX Argan Oil of Morocco Hair Oil. Oh yeah, it's done. And thanks. And finally, I finished up the Rimmel, what is this? How do I still not know? Moisture Renew lipstick in Heather Shimmer. Looking at this, you'll see there is still a little bit in there. However, it has actually gotten to the point where when I try to apply it, it just goes all over my face. So I'm ready to call it quits on that. So I've panned 2 lipsticks this year. Who am I? So that's another 3 products panned. I actually have no idea what that brings our grand total to because I forgot to look it up before I started filming the video like the true professional that I am. But yeah, future me, put it up on the screen somewhere, thanks. So that has been a very productive month in my panning life. I feel really good about that. Now let's talk about some of the other products and how I'm getting on with those, and then I'll show you what I'm switching in to replace the things that I just used up. Okay, let's start with the highlight. This one, if you remember, is out of my Live Love London face palette. I depotted it and put it into my Z palette. I don't know where I stand on that debate. Anyways, irrelevant. So this is what it looks like now, and I would like to say that I am taking no credit for that pan. I took this to Italy with me and it smashed in my suitcase. So that is why we've hit pan here. But I have been using it consistently. I can see a dip in it. Yeah, I've been using it consistently. It's making me shiny in a good way. So there's that. Next, let's talk about this pomegranate lip balm from Naturally European. I'm actually pretty impressed with the progress that I made with this month, because you can see when we first started with it, we were here. Then at the end of last month, we came down to here, and now we're all the way down here. Please ignore my overgrown nails. I need to go get those done. But yeah, this is where we are right now. You can see I've been using it a lot more in August than I was in July, because I was in Italy and it was really hot and my lips were really dry. But I think as we go now into more of like the autumn and winter months, I will be reaching more for this anyway. Next, let's talk about this Clinique face mask. It's really dirty. Look at the state of it. There's clay everywhere. So this is the Clinique Pore Refining Solutions Charcoal Mask. I really thought that I was going to be able to finish this one up by the end of August, and I think if I had been home for the whole of the month then I would have, but I didn't feel like it was worth packing it and taking it with me in my suitcase when I went away. So for that reason, it's not quite finished. So, okay, this is so dirty. Can you even, where are the lines? So this is where we were at the end of July. This is where we are now at the end of August. So it's consistent. I've been using like a consistent amount over the last few months, and it's the smallest amount in here now. I think maybe 1 or 2 more uses and this will be done. And finally, this is also kind of bittersweet. We have the NARS blush in Deep Throat, and look, it is so nearly done. I really thought that I was going to be done with this by the time I filmed this video, but alas, This has just like a few more applications left in it, and I'm feeling really good about that. Well done, me. Okay, next let's talk about the new products that I am bringing into the project pan. We're gonna start with this one that I have a lot of mixed feelings about this, okay? I want to bring this in because I want to get this finished, and when things are in my project pan, I go after them with a lot more tenacity. So that's why you mostly see me bring in products that I don't really like that much, because it just like eggs me on to finish them quicker. The downside of this product is that it is opaque packaging, so we can't track the progress as easily. Let me just show you what it is. It is the Tresemme Split Remedy Split End Leave-In Treatment. Yeah, I've been using this for years, and the reason is so ridiculous because I don't even know if this is still for sale. I don't know if they stopped making this, because a shop near me had them on clearance for like 50 pence, and I think I bought 6. So I've been using this for years just because I stocked up like it was some kind of hair-related doomsday apocalypse situation, and this is the last one. Obviously we cannot mark the progress, but I did steal my mother's kitchen scales from the cupboard, so let's weigh it. Help me. 140 grams. Look, I don't know how accurate these weighing scales are because they are probably older than me, but let's just go with it. So we're at 140 grams. Let's see how much of this we can use up. Next, I am bringing back another product that I am not such a big fan of, but just get out of my life. Do you remember it? It's the Soap & Glory Daily Smooth Body Butter. I was using one of these earlier on this year as a project pan product, used it up, went into my box of moisturizers, and lo and behold, there was another one. So we're gonna be going at this again. You can see I've already put a marker here. I started using it earlier on in the month because I used this one up really quickly, so I brought this in straight away. So when I started it, it was full, but here we are at the beginning of September, and let's see how much we can use up this month. Finally, I am bringing in a perfume. This is the Michael Kors Sexy Amber. I've actually been using this pretty consistently recently anyway, but because I have so many of these little travel sized perfumes, and I kind of just like pick whichever one is at the top of the drawer, you know what I mean? Like, I don't think about it. I'm not really making any progress with any one perfume, so I'm gonna stick with this one. This is what we are. Okay, so I feel like good progress. I feel like this has been a really successful month, and I'm very happy with the way that it's gone. Another 3 products used up, another 2 that will definitely be used up by the end of next month. Feel good about that. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, then please go ahead and give it a thumbs up to let me know. Leave me a little comment in the comment section, and subscribe if you haven't already. For those of you who are already subscribed, thank you guys so much. You are the Odd Squad, and I love you so much. But until next time, remember that you are enough just as you are. I love you, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.